Greetings, I'm your host Dilip and welcome to our YouTube demo of our Kaggle Capstone project titled Sentilytics, Multi-Agent YouTube Market Intelligence Engine. In this project, we retrieve actionable business insights from endless video content using multi-agentic AI built with google-adk library. So what's the problem we are trying to solve? Every day, thousands of product reviews are uploaded to YouTube, creating a massive data blind spot for enterprises. The problem is that critical consumer sentiment and competitive intelligence data are locked inside unstructured audio inside the video, making it impossible for human teams to track them manually. We are solving this by transforming this chaotic noise into a structured real-time market insights that can drive business strategies. So how does agentic AI mitigate this problem? Static dashboards cannot reason, and a standalone LLM often hallucinates data. AI agents in combinations with the master LLM is a unique solution here because they combine orchestration, intent classification with tool usage. By picking the right agent for the job, we minimize hallucinations or errors and produce a cohesive narrative for the user response. Our system architecture uses a central coordinator that intelligently delegates tasks to 7 specialized agents, from a sentiment analyst to a plotting engineer. This architecture allows them to autonomously trigger over 24 distinct tools to validate real-time metrics and generate visual charts and plots. This architecture enables complex multi-step reasoning, providing realistic output which a simple chatbot simply cannot deliver. Next, we'll see this dashboard in action. Welcome to our Sentilytics dashboard for YouTube Market Intelligence. There is a help icon at the top right of the dashboard which gives you access to information about various agents that we have built into the dashboard, as well as the data that we have collected so far. So as you can see, we have collected data for the iPhone 17 Pro, MacBook Pro and ChatGPT 5, covering a period of 10 days after their launch date. So we capture the market sentiment for these. As you can see, we can ask prompts that can trigger plots, visualizations to see like sentiment data variation over the period of data that we have captured, the overall sentiment of a product represented as a pie chart, and so on. You can also ask complex queries that can trigger multi-agent workflows. This is a short demo, so we are not able to give a full list of all the prompts that's capable with the dashboard. To see that, you can visit this README file in our Git repo. Thank you for your attention. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Take care.